Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to guide you through how to set up push notifications in the Lendingclub app so that you can stay on top of every transactions and account updates in real time. Let's get into it. The first step is to open the Lendingclub app. So go ahead and log into your account using your secured credentials. Once you're in, go to settings. From the main menu you're going to tap settings and then look for notifications. Now you can enable push notifications because you're going to see a toggle for push notifications. Just turn this on to start receiving instant alerts. And of course, you can customize alerts. You can usually choose the type of notification that you want, such as transactions alerts, login alerts, security updates, or loan and payment reminders. And of course, you need to allow app permissions. Now, your phone may ask you to allow notifications from Lendingclub, so be sure to enable this so that alerts appear on your lock screen. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.